Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about the use case scenarios for the set list last line mode command of the VI editor. Just before I start with that demonstration, people, I will do this. I will check my present working directory. I am in my home directory now, and I will check the content in this home directory for the prime user, and it is like this, people, where I have the demo dir1 subdirectory in which I am creating all the files that I am creating for the demonstration purposes. So let me navigate into that directory, cd demo dir1 directory. I check and verify that my present working directory is /home/prime/demo dir1. I have done that with the help of the pwd command. And now in this directory, I have created a file with the name demovi.txt. In the previous presentation, where I created this file demovi.txt, that is the file with this name demovi.txt, with the help of the VI editor. Alright, people, let me now check whether this file is available. Yes, it is there, and this is the file I created during the previous presentation where I was demonstrating the use of VI editor, where I was using VI editor to create this file. Alright, people, now when I was creating this file and when I was demonstrating the different features in VI, I was mentioning about the set list command in the last line mode of VI editor. Just to recap, I'll do this, people, now. VI demo vi.txt. When I open this file with the help of the VI editor, let's run the command vi demo vi.txt, and I get the VI editor session like this. Alright, it's a read-only file now, people. Okay, that's because I changed the file access permissions to read-only. Since I am the owner, since I am the user owner, I can change the permissions again. If you notice, this is a read-only file as of now. I can change it back to the read-write permission, read and write permission for the user owner. For that, I will use this command, people. Please do not worry about the chmod command. I will tell you about the chmod command in a different playlist that I will create for the Linux system administration topics. For now, you just need to understand that this command will provide the read-write permissions to the user who owns this file. Let me do that, people, and I verify the same with the help of the long listing command ls-l demo vi.txt. Let's go ahead. Yeah, now we can notice that this command is now reporting that the file permissions have changed for this file. For this particular file, read-write permissions are available for the file demo vi.txt. Perfect. Now let me use the VI editor to open this file, vi demo vi.txt, and when I press the enter key, I will be able to see the existing contents in this file. Alright, people, let me now go to the last line in this file using escape capital G. Now you can notice that in this line, in the previous line, I have a tab character in this position, that is after the word follows, and at the end of every line there is a end of the line character or the new line character, and both the tab character and the end of the line character, these are non-printable characters, and VI editor will not display them in any possible solution. Also, there is no way VI is going to display them by default, that is. However, we can ask VI to display the non-printable characters like the tab character and the end of the line character or the new line character with some special notations. For that, I have demonstrated this last line mode command in the previous presentation, people. And to recap, I'll run the same command now, escape colon. When I see the colon character in the last line, this is a confirmation that I am working with the last line mode of VI editor. Let me now run the set list command. So I will now run the set list command. I have typed it. Let me press the enter key. It will run. And now VI editor is displaying a tab character with this notation, people. Caret symbol followed by capital I. This indicates one single tab character. And the dollar symbol at the end of every line indicates the end of the line character or the new line character. Okay, this is something that I have demonstrated in the previous presentation. Now, if I want to go back to the default mode of VI, where VI will not be displaying non-printable characters like the tab and the end of the line characters, I can do this, people. Escape colon set no list. Okay. All right. Now the tab is not seen in the VI editor session, and also the new line character or the end of the line character at the end of every line, they are also not seen. All right. Now I will save the changes in this file, people. In fact, I did not do any changes anyway. This is the command to write and quit. Save the changes that I have done in this file, and also quit outside of the quit out of the VI editor to return to the operating system command prompt. Let's run this command. I've done that. Now, what is the use case scenario, or what are the use case scenarios for this set list last line mode command of the VI editor? It can be like this, people. There are different possibilities. I will list some of them here. Let me write in this notepad document a little bit on that. Okay, I'll say like this, people. Use case scenarios for the use of set list last line mode command in the VI editor. Okay, one possible scenario is this, people. In case of YAML files used for Ansible playbooks, please do not worry about that, people. Ansible is a automation tool for configuration management. Red Hat Ansible. In case of YAML files used for Ansible playbooks and YAML files used in the context of declarative manifest files in the context of Kubernetes, we want to ensure that blank spaces are used for indentation and not tab characters. So in this kind of scenario, the set list last line mode command of VI is very useful because this way we can check and verify that in the YAML files we are using the blank space character as the character for indentation and not the tab characters. And then in case of Python programs, we want to ensure that blank space characters are used for, blank spaces. I'm sorry, I'll repeat this, people. Blank spaces are used for indentation and not tab characters. Okay, these are the possible use case scenarios, people. And this is in the case of YAML files and in the Python programs. Now, I have also used this particular feature, the set list last line mode command of VI editor, in providing solution to a specific requirement in a real-time project. Okay, let me tell you about the scenario, people, there in the real-time project. Okay, it's like this. Now I'll go to the virtual machine that is running the CentOS Stream 10 operating system. Now, in the real-time project where I was working as a system administrator, that is our team, our infrastructure support team, used to occasionally receive a incident ticket where a particular support team, they will ask us to look at a specific line in a configuration file, and they want us to check between two fields that should be in that line. There must be 3 tab characters that should be used as the field separator. And why we are receiving this incident ticket? It is because of this, people. In that particular configuration file, in the specific line of interest, there could be, there has to be only 3 contiguous tab characters used as the field separator. If it is going to be less than 3 or more than 3 tab characters, the configuration entry does not work. And this is what is the problem that the concerned support team is facing. What they are saying is, in this configuration file, the entry is there. However, the entry is not working. So they are asking us to check if there are 3 tab characters used as the field separator. So what I do is this, people. Okay, let me create a sample file for that. Let's imagine that the file name is config.txt. So let's imagine that in the incident ticket, the concerned support team is asking us to look at this file, config.txt, and let's imagine that there is only one line in this file, and in that line there are 2 fields that are supposed to have 3 tab characters as the field separator. Let's do that, people. Now I create the file config.txt with the help of VI editor, and in this new file, let me say, okay, it can be any value in the first field, people, that doesn't matter. So field 1 is the value here, and now between this field 1 and field 2, there must be 3 tabs. So there are supposed to be 2 fields. Field 1 should be the value in the first field. Field 2 should be the value in the second field. Just an imaginary one, the imaginary values here. And between these 2 fields, there must be 3 tab characters. Now let's say this is the configuration file the concerned support team is referring to in the incident ticket. And they are saying that this particular entry, this configuration entry, is not working in their application like expected. They are asking us to check, are there 3 tab characters continuously between these 2 fields? How can I verify that, people? Now I am using the VI editor, and you now already know that the set list last line command of VI editor can help here. Let's check. Escape : set list. Now I press the enter key, and now you can very well see this, people, here that there are 3 tab characters. Okay. Now when our support team, infrastructure support team, when we receive this incident ticket, normally what happens is it could be either 2 tab characters here, people, that is not equal to 3. So what I will do is, if I find that only 2 tab characters are there, I will use escape I and then press the tab key to insert one more tab character. I'll save the changes. Okay, to ensure that 3 tab characters are field separators. 3 tab characters function as the field separator. I'm sorry, people, it is only one field separator here that is made of 3 tab characters. So these 3 tab characters form the field separator. and it has to be exactly like this in that particular configuration file regarding which we are getting the incident ticket. Now, if it is more than 3 tab people, okay, I'll see 5 tab characters like this. For example, let's say when I have more tab characters, more than 3, that is, let's say I have 5 of them here. I'll have to remove 2 tab characters. I'll have to delete 2 tab characters. So I can use escape X. 2 tab characters I have removed. So I used escape X 2 times. I removed those 2 tab characters. Now what I do is, after ensuring that the tab characters are exactly 3 here, 3 tab characters, what I will do is I'll save the changes people. Okay. And after saving the changes, okay, we can even read the content of the file with the help of more command. Because more command can be used to read the content of a file. And okay, I don't see the tab characters there though. It's okay. However, I'll tell you one more solution people. More command does not display the tab characters. However, the next command that I'm going to demonstrate in this presentation, in these presentations, not in this particular presentation people, in a separate video, I will tell you about the cat command, which will be the next video. So in the cat command presentation, anyway, I'm going to demonstrate the use of the cat command with the VET options. So when I use the cat command, I can read a file like this people. However, the cat command displays the field 1 and field 2. These values I can see clearly because these are text. However, these are non-printable characters that I have here, the tab characters. Now, if I want the cat command to display the tab characters and the end of the line characters with special notations like how the VI editor was doing it with the help of the set list last line mode command, I can use the cat command with the VET options like this people. Run the cat command along with the VET options. Now the cat command will display the non-printable characters with some special notations, exactly like how the set list last line mode command of VI editor was taking care of that. Let's run this command and you can see the result people here. The tab characters are seen with the caret symbol followed by capital I. I can see 3 tab characters. That's the field separator between these 2 fields. And the dollar symbol at the end of the line is the end of the line character or the new line character. Now what I will do is I will ask the concerned application support team who were creating the incident ticket to check if this particular configuration entry is working all right for them. They will check and confirm that everything is all right with that particular configuration entry in this file. So this is a use case scenario from a real-time project where I was working people. All right people, with that I will conclude this presentation. Please subscribe to this channel and also share this channel if you find that this channel is useful to you in learning about Linux related topics. Thank you.